In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on predictive text on your iPhone. Predictive text is a feature that suggests words as you type, making it easier and faster to compose emails or messages. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Keyboard. Now you'll see the predictive text option, which is disabled. To turn on predictive text on your iPhone, simply toggle on this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.